Unboxing Soundbreeze by Seeken's new earbuds, Atom. Upon unboxing, the earbuds can be found inside their charging case with a clear lid. Opening it reveals pleasant lights to enhance your experience. Take out the earbuds along with their protective charging film, then return them to the case to activate. The package includes extra ear tips for a customized fit, with medium-sized tips already attached. Additionally, a Type-C charging cable is provided. Moreover, upon lifting the tray, you'll find the product manual, providing detailed information about its features and touch controls. Additionally, a warranty card for the product is included. Get yours from our site at www.seeken.com.